internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you. Let's get right into the unboxing. So this is the, oh, Valentine's, that's so cute. I'm never sure if February is going to be seen as the Valentine's month or the Lunar New Year month. Anyways, February, I'll put this aside. And let's see what's in the box. Oh, candy. Okay, this is candy, right? Oh no, it's biscuits. These are like little strawberry coated panda biscuits. They look delicious. So I always like to take any of these like candy bags or biscuit bags to work, and I keep them in my desk. Inevitably, always at around 2-3 p.m. at work, that's when I have like a sugar crash and I really need like a pick-me-up. So I'll either make myself like a milk tea or I will snack on one of these. This just is intriguing me. What is this? It's like a jewelry box. Yeah, it looks like a jewelry box. And you have like a mirror here. That's so cute. That's adorable. I feel like this is something that my niece would love because she's getting into really girly stuff now. Oh, so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna give that to her. I think she will love that. And then we have like a lanyard card. Kawaii Neko. Kawaii Neko. Oh, and then you can you actually put your own cards in here? Let me see. How do I open this? Yep, okay, so you can open it up and then you can put your own card. Okay, it's supposed to be like a travel tag. So you put your travel details here. That is cute. I actually will use this. Then we have, oh, like a nail kit. This is actually perfect. You guys know I love doing my nails. Some weeks I will go full out with some gems and deco. And then other weeks, like now, it's pretty simple. I've just been keeping things really simple recently, but I definitely know I'm gonna go into those moods where I want to fully deck up my nails, and this is gonna be perfect for it. Definitely keeping this. And then what is this? It's like a keychain, but with like glitter in it. Let me, oh, I want to open this up. Okay, this is the cutest thing. It's an actual keychain with little jars of glitter, like star pink glitter, holographic pink star glitter. And then here's like liquid with glitter in it, and it's precious. I actually really like this. Sometimes I wonder, I'm like, am I too old to be carrying stuff like this? And then other times I'm like, you know what? You're never too old for anything, and do whatever you want. Just be you. So I like this. I just don't know where I'll put it because my backpack, if I showed you guys my backpack, it's got like 5 keychains on it already. No shame. Really would love to add more. But I don't want my keychains out like putting too much weight on my bag because I need to still carry my bag. I don't know, I haven't even think about this. This is cool, and like I could see this just being fun to play with. Ooh, socks. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You guys know I grew up on Sanrio. I loved it so much. They're pretty soft, but you know sometimes when you see those like fleece socks and they're like the softest, coziest thing ever, you can get them at Daiso. This is not as soft as that. It still feels pretty cozy. I reckon this would be very comfortable. Definitely think this is more of an at-home sock. Like I wouldn't wear this outside in my normal shoes. I also wouldn't want it to get damaged because I find like the socks that I wear out tend to wear down faster. So yeah, oh, definitely keeping these two. Love them. Oh, it's like a, okay, it's plastic. I wasn't sure if this was going to be ceramic, but it's kind of like a little tray that you can keep, say, keys or bits of jewelry in. And ooh, we have a pen. All right, I'll give this a shot after the video. It's got like this, I love this candy. It's like a ball on the inside, and then it's kind of like transparent holographic blue. Then, ooh, squishy. Yeah, you guys know I just am not a huge fan of squishies. Especially I can see it's like a heart shape with a lot of hundreds and thousands on it, and they're falling off, and I just feel like this would leave a mess. So I've been putting these into like boxes that I give away either to friends or I donate and stuff like that. Sometimes I wonder whether I should just collect a whole bunch of stuff and just do a giveaway or something like that. But I don't know, like doing package giveaways always worries me because I worry that, well, the postage is always going to be very high because I'm in Australia, but if it doesn't get there, I feel so bad and I don't know how to replace it. Whereas like giving away my own stickers and stuff, that's easy to replace if it does get lost. Anyways, and then the last one, ooh, puffy stickers. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of puffy stickers, but these are really unique. Like I feel that they've got this sheen on them. It's like metallic sheen. Oh, I just wish these weren't puffy because I would totally use these. I've been using stickers in my bullet journal now, and these would be perfect for like a monthly theme. but the puffiness would just like add too much bulk to the planners. That's why I don't really use them, but I guess I could like use them for presents and stuff like that, or cards. Yeah. Actually, I never even thought to use them on cards. That is a great idea. I really should do that. Cool, so that's everything in this month's Kawaii box. I'm going to put this away and then let's test out that pen. So upon closer inspection, this is not a pen, it is a pencil, a mechanical pencil, as you can see. So I don't really feel like there's much to test out. I'm pretty sure this is 0.5. It's comfortable, except every time you have these sort of things at the end, when you write, it just doesn't make the writing experience as comfortable because there's a lot of weight pulling you and it swings around. So it's really more of a fun novelty looking pencil rather than something I would practically recommend and use. Also, I just noticed that you can actually take this charm off. So I guess you could just take it off and use the pencil as is and then put this on something else, which I might do because I actually do like this and I might put it on something else. Anyways. Yeah. Pretty regular pencil, nothing much to it, and yeah. So that's everything in February's Kawaii box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.